Hi, welcome back to Konkani Khan and Ikjavan. Please like, share, and subscribe to see more upcoming videos. Continuing with Jackfruit month. Today we have a spicy, mouth-watering pickle, Mhaave Adgai. As mentioned in the previous video, we use every part of the jackfruit except the thorns. Choose a fresh and mature jackfruit whose bulbs are firm and a pale yellow or off-white. Remember to grease your hands and knife with oil to easily remove the latex which oozes out while cutting the jackfruit. First, remove the jackfruit core as shown. Remove the tough fibrous part of the core or Mhaave as we call it. Keep only the soft parts. Cut into long slices or squares as per your wish. Wash and then add salt to marinate, or you can add salt while frying. Mix 1 teaspoon salt with a little water in a small cup. Heat oil in a kadai. When the oil is hot, add the chopped slices and fry at high flame. Add salt water when they are half done. Remove when they turn a crisp brown. Keep it aside. We will now make the pickle. We need some red chilies, hing, salt, and a little tamarind. Mustard and curry leaves for the seasoning. Fry the red chilies in a little oil. When they are fried, add the hing too. When the chilies are cooled, grind them with the tamarind and salt. Adding some water to make a smooth paste. Splatter some mustard seeds and add the curry leaves. Now add the paste to the seasoning. Add a little more water to reach the desired consistency. This tends to thicken when cool. Check the salt and add more if required. Remember, we have already salted the fries. When this comes to a boil, simmer for a minute and then switch off. Now add the fries to the pickle. You can start using this straight away. Enjoy with idlis or any other items for a flavorful breakfast. For more details, refer to our website kkaj.in.